Yo, what's up? So, yeah, I wanted to make this video on Shopify, how to set up a logo for your Shopify store. So, the thing I would do is to set up a logo for a Shopify store. Your options are either you design it here, just search up like Canva logo, or Squarespace. But the best thing if you want to create a professional looking design, I would say is go on Fiverr, and like you can't just buy one design and expect it to be perfect. So I would say buy like at least two or three designs from different designers on Shopify. I mean on Fiverr, and see for $5 which one is the best, and then just go on your Shopify store and hook it up so it looks good. Um, so let's make an example. Like what I'll do right here, because I'm just setting up a store for to share you guys. Stop shop. I just made up a name. I don't even know if that's. I think it's like a supermarket or something. I hope I'm not like. You want to make up your own name though, something creative. Okay, so icons. Oh, that's cool. That goes perfect. I can put like shop. Let's see if it shows up. Oh no, not there. It's shop. Yeah, this is cool. This is basically like a basic logo. But this doesn't matter. You don't have to do this. Most preferably, I would say you go on Fiverr and pay $5 to a couple designers and choose the best one out of them. Um, so let's save logo, download less, free. Oh, and another thing I would recommend is with like importing products. This will be a quick like video with importing products. Go to TinyPNG, and since you have like pictures and you're like putting them on your website, so your website doesn't slow down and it loads up fast, you want to decompress your images. So compression, like let's do this here. So you'll see it went from 10 kilobytes to 3 kilobytes, but some pictures could be like megabytes. So you know you want to make sure the size like gets smaller so the page loads up faster, because that can mess up the customer experience on the website. Sort of, yeah. So customize. I'm gonna try to put the theme on there. It's Brooklyn. I don't know why it says deeper, but it's Brooklyn. Image with text header. There it says logo. That was just the image background I seen somewhere. Oh, I put it like on a zip. It's not that big. The file's not that big, but if it was like megabytes, you want to make sure that that doesn't really affect things. So I saved it. Now let's go back to the store. Yeah, that doesn't matter. So let's just visit the store. So there it is. There's the logo of the website we just made. But I mostly recommend you guys get like a design for logo on Fiverr, so that it looks more professional. And also banner. You could probably create a banner on Canva banner. And if you're taking images from Google, let's say I have a bracelet store, bracelet pink. If you're taking images from Google, I wouldn't recommend it. Go to Pixabay. go to pixabay.com or go to Shutterstock and get Shutterstock Pixabay bracelet, and get something like this. Like this is good. Oh, but as a banner, you want to make it look like very good. So I would say this looks pretty good. Download. So we're gonna make a bracelet store, I guess. For example, here. I don't know. I just came up. That's what came up to my mind. They're pretty profitable. It's like a passionate niche, though. Like I said, I'm just sharing my knowledge to people who might find this useful. This logo. That's the logo. Typography. Menu, slideshow. I think it's slideshow. It doesn't have to be a slideshow, but just put a picture on there. Boom. And then yeah, that's basically the logo and the design. That was the purpose of this video. If you found this helpful, subscribe, leave a like, click the link below if you haven't started your free Shopify store, free trial to set up your store. And click the link below if you want to get your free PDF cheat sheet on the top 500 stores on Shopify, so you can like model the design of how the store looks and like basically like model like great stores. So there you go. That's the banner, and I put the logo. I can edit it and put the logo back in, but it's here. But then it came off. Anyway, see you in the next video. Peace.